exposing the true cost of nature's fury. A colossal 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck near Mandalay at 12:50 p.m. local time. Buildings crumbled, lives shattered. Myanmar's military junta declared a state of emergency. Roads split, the iconic Ava Bridge fell into the Irrawaddy River. In Taungoo, a mosque collapse claimed 3 lives. Bangkok, 1,400 kilometers away, saw a 30-story skyscraper crumble, trapping 43 workers. This is the strongest quake in a century, and a 6.4 magnitude aftershock followed. Why? The Sagaing Fault, a tectonic time bomb. Could it happen in your city? Comment below and share this. It's happening now.